Justice is the one thing that makes everyone equal. All people, regardless of their income or their socioeconomic status or their race or their gender, are deserving of representation and should not be marginalized. Poverty is not a crime. My name is Yvonne London, and I work for the Texas Fair Defense Project. We are located in Austin, Texas, and we became Clio customers in 2019. Our firm's mission is to fight the criminalization of poverty. So there is a program in Texas called the Failure to Appear program. If someone has a traffic ticket and they are not able to appear at their court appearance, or if they are not able to pay, then the court can not only issue a warrant, there will be a hold on that person's license. If you don't have a license, that could impact your everyday, from taking your children to school, being able to be gainfully employed. If you only have but so much money and you have other things like paying rent or getting groceries, you probably would pay that before you paid a ticket. And these are areas where legal representation is not entitled based on the Sixth Amendment. That's why we do pro bono work. There is no fee for our services. Our organization takes on people who are at 200% of the poverty level or below. We fill that gap because we are the only ones that are able to provide that resource. Being a community champion means that we are able to not only listen, but help them advocate for themselves while also advocating for them. Anytime that you're trying to achieve justice, it is always going to be an uphill battle, but you are going to have to continue to travel uphill in order to effectuate change. You always have to be up for the fight, and you just have to continue to press on.